Upgrade your braking system with these precision-engineered OE-style brake shoes, designed for a hassle-free installation and a perfect fit. Manufactured with 100% asbestos-free friction formulations, these brake shoes provide extended wear, consistent braking performance, and long-lasting durability, ensuring your vehicle stays safe and efficient on the road. The 100% all-new steel construction is built to last, while the rust-inhibitive coating prevents rust and extends the longevity of the parts. This set includes brake shoes for 1 axle, 2 wheels, offering the reliability and performance you need. While a hardware kit is not included, these bonded construction brake shoes are a great replacement for your worn-out parts. Ideal for rear brake systems, this product is compatible with Toyota models, including the 1987-00 4Runner, 1987-94 pickup, 1993-98 T100, 1995-02 Tacoma, and 2000-03 Tundra. If you're looking for a high-quality, affordable solution to replace your old brake shoes, this product is perfect for you. Don't miss out on a reliable, cost-effective upgrade. Click the link in the description to purchase now and restore your vehicle's braking power.